Wait, open. Okay, I'm already creating something here. So I will start from here. Then I will start with the changing of the size of the text. Most formatting, before I forget, most of formatting is done at the home screen, at the home tab. Okay, let's assume I want to change the size of this text. Is selected already. For you to select a text, you can just double click on it, or you can press and hold it, then drag towards the right, whichever case. So I have to tap on this button here for me to see the commands, the formatting commands I can use. Though we can see some buttons already here, but I want us to have a larger view of it. So tap on this button, this arrow that points to, that is pointing up. Okay, tap on it. Okay, as you can see, it has given us some commands on the home. So my first thing I want to do here is changing the font size. By default it's set at 11. You can see it here. So I can type there, then select any other font size of my choice, maybe 16, 12, 18, or any other thing. Okay, let me go with 18. As you can see, when I selected the font size, a new font size higher than the default one, it increased. Then let's talk about selecting a new font. By default we are assigned Arial, so I can tap on that and choose another one. I like using Times New Roman, so I'll scroll down until I get to the font I want to use. Okay, Times New Roman, that's my best font. Okay, see it here. Oh, it has gone. Okay, let's just choose any other font of our choice. Okay, any other font. Okay, I can go with this. You can see I have changed what, the font from the default one. Then to make text bold, select the text and hit the bold button. You can see this is the bold button that has changed. Then if you want to italize, this is the italize button. Identify as I. Alright, slanted I. You can see once I clicked on that, the selected words have been made in italics. Then if I want to underline this, I have selected the words already. Hit the underline icon. Okay, so these are the basic formatting tasks. Then let's go to font color. Look at the font color tool. I want to change the color maybe to red. I can just click, or I can click on the arrow pointing right, then select from the menu font colors. Okay, we go with blue, and that's all. So if I want to clear this formatting that I did now for the text to return to its default state, then I can hit the clear formatting. You can see it here. You can see it has returned to its original state. Okay, then if I want to strike through, see the strike through button with AB, strike through. So just use it. I will strike through the text. If I want to undo that, hit it again, so it's undone. So that is that. Then okay, let's go to paragraph formatting. I can come here. I want to change the spacing maybe to 2.0. Then I click on the line spacing and select it. As you can see, it has changed. Then if I want to align this text differently, move back. You can see these are different alignments you can choose. By default, it's aligned towards the left. Okay, that's why this is selected. You can choose it to be at the center. You can choose it to be aligned towards your right. You can choose it to be justified. So I like using justify the option alignment in most cases. So whichever way you want to do it is okay. Now what if I want to convert this my words to heading? That's how do I format in Word Mobile. Okay, I want to convert it to heading. I'll come to styles, click on styles, then you can see heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. Maybe I'll just select any of them. Maybe I want to go with heading 2. That's all, and I'm good to go. Now let's assume I have a lot of things. Hello, anything. Okay, let's say hello boy. How are you? Okay, we are going to somewhere. Maybe let's assume that I have a lot of rows in this document and I want to find one word for the many contents. Let's say I want to find the word boy. Okay, I'll click on this. I'm already on the home tab, you can see it here. Then I select find. Find is one of the tools on the home tab. Then in the search space, I will search for, okay, maybe I want to get to part of my document where I have boy. I will type boy. Okay. Or hello. So, and then search. You can see it has highlights where I have the word hello in that my document. Okay, so with this I think I've covered the basic formatting you can do on the Word Mobile. Alright, so but the good thing about this is more you do it, you practice over and over, the more you get used to the whole thing, and with time you become a pro. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, comment and like. Thank you.